Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another one. So for this look, I just felt really inspired because I just wanted to be summertime already. So I just did a summertime inspired look, and if you guys want to see how I accomplish this look, just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my ColourPop concealer, and this is in the shade Dark number 44. I'm going to put that on my eyelids. So for this look, I'm going to be applying some tape just to my eyes, just like this, just because I want this to be a very clean cut look. And also, if you have issues with doing wing liner, this is also a great tip, because you just go in and once you peel it off, your line is going to be completely perfect. And I'm going for more of a nice red faded into orange, faded into yellow. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this shade right here. I'm going to go ahead and start packing it into the outer V area, like so. This red to be prominent, so I'm going to go back over it, and as you can see, y'all, color, look at this pigment, y'all. Look at the pigment. And the thing about this palette is, if you want more pigment, all you have to do is really pack it on. Like, if you pat it in, the pigment is so much more vibrant and so much more bright. This palette is completely gorgeous. I love this palette so much. I'm going to dip into this orange shade right here, and I'm going to go right next to it, and you see how orange that is, like. And again, when you go in, we're going to be pressing it in. Next, I'm going to dip into this shade right here. I'm going to take my Tarte Precision Longwear liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. And I'm doing it while the tape is still on here, just so it can make a sharper wing. So here I am with my eyeliner on. I'm going to go ahead and do the other off camera, and I will be right back. Guys, so here I am with the finished eye look. Of course, I am going to go back and smoke it out under my eyes, but this is what we're looking like. I used some AOA Studio Lashes, and honestly, I got these from shopmsa.com, and they were only $1, and they're just really cute and really simple. And honestly, I feel like this is one of the best bands that I have ever seen on a lash, just because they are so thin, which makes them super easy to put on. Okay guys, so now we're moving on to the face. So for primer today, I'm using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. I love this primer just because it's almost like a jelly feel, but it makes my face so soft, and it just makes it feel, you know, so smooth. So this is definitely one of my favorite primers. So when I just put it on my face, and instantly my face feels so soft. LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in the shade Orange. And right now I'm kind of battling back and forth with orange and peach just to see which one I like the most. So I'm going to go ahead and use this one today, just to see how I feel about it. And I'm going to go ahead and correct the dark areas of my face, which is like right here. I have a little bit of hyperpigmentation, as well as this side, and a little bit on my forehead, and a little bit around the mouth area. So I'm gonna go fairly light with this, just because any other time that I go in with this color corrector, y'all know, if y'all watch my videos, y'all have seen the catastrophe that is putting on too much orange color corrector. I literally look crazy, like literally. So I'm just going to put these in my problem areas. And then I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. beauty sponge, and I'm going to go ahead and blend all of that out. So I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever foundation, and this I think is my favorite foundation because it matches me, but it makes my skin look so rich and chocolatey. Like, it does something for my face that I really truly enjoy. Like, it gives me this melanin. I just look like a ball of melanin. Like, I look like a ball of melanin, and I love this foundation so much. So when I want to go for something more rich and, you know, that gives me that pop of excellence, I go for Makeup Forever. So y'all, I'm gonna try not to get this on my eyebrow like I did in my last video, because that was a catastrophe. So what I'm doing here is I'm doing almost like a pat and swipe motion. I just feel like it gets into the skin a little bit better, and it serves for, look at that coverage. You know what? Look at that coverage, y'all. This coverage is everything. And I honestly feel like Makeup Forever is like slept on. I don't see a lot of beauty influencers using this foundation, and I was always curious as to why, like, why we're asleep on this foundation. Like, look how flawless my skin looks. God, what the hell, y'all? If I'm not the clumsiest person when it comes to my eyebrows, like, enough is enough at this point. I know how to use my Tarte Shape Tape, and of course this is in the shade Deep. I'm just gonna take a beauty sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and start tapping that in. Go ahead and get my chalk dust, and this is in the letter Y, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my concealer. So while I'm baking, I'm going to go ahead and contour my face and bring a little bit of light back into my face. So I'm going to use the Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, and this is in medium to dark. And my holy grail is the powder version of this. But I used this in my last video, and I really do love the color of the contour shade. I just love the color of this cream contour. Like, it's such a beautiful color. And again, I'm going to go ahead and dip into my chalk dust setting powder just so I can sharpen up my contour. I'm going to take this big fluffy brush, and I'm going to go ahead and start wiping away that setting powder. I'm going to go in with my MAC Cosmetics highlighter, and this is in the shade Oh Darling. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop lip liner. And I'm going to take this orange shade by NYX, and this is in the color Orange County. The crayon case gloss, and this is in the shade Clean Kisses. And for setting spray, I'm going to be using my MAC Fix Plus. So this is my finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Please, if you enjoyed the video, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also make sure you click that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I post a video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching another one, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye.